अस्सलाम वालेकुम। इस वीडियो में हम B.ed फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर 8606 के क्विज़ के क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस करेंगे। ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल है। आपने वीडियो फुल वॉच करनी है और इन क्वेश्चंस आंसर्स को अपने माइंड में रखना है। ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत इंफॉर्मेटिव है, आपकी क्विज़ में बहुत हेल्पफुल होगी। सो आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ विच इज़ एन एजेंट ऑफ सोशलाइजेशन? करेक्ट ऑप्शन ए ऑल द अबव। Socialization is a dash process. Correct option B. Learning. A society depend on dash institute for its survival. Correct option A. Social. Television is dash. Correct option B. Agency of social control. A dash is responsible for promoting cultural value. Correct option A. Teacher. Educational technology help in improving dash skills. Correct option C. Communication. To survive in a community, its members must dash. Correct option B. Reciprocate. School can arrange career day to strengthen its relationship with the. Correct option B. Society. Annual Oats of Hazrat Data Ganj Baksh is a cultural dash. Correct option A. Festival. The term society is dash. Correct option C. Latin. An individual in the classroom is not a dash. Correct option A. Mentor. Which norms are the strength of any group? Correct option A. Loyalty norms. Why does school arrange multiple groups activities for students? Correct option C. For socialization. The dash of socialization reflects the quality of its process. Correct option A. Product. Dash is the main agent of socialization in a classroom. Correct option B. Teacher. Social institutes provide dash support to the society. Correct option D. Fundamental. Who is mainly the focus of social control? Correct option D. An individual. School and community relate with each other by. Correct option D. Hierarchical order. Social climates may be manipulated through. Correct option A. Classroom management. The definition of educational technology is given by. Correct option D. AECT. Gold card allows the dash members to use school facilities free of cost. Correct option D. Community. Dash element of culture is sometimes based on reality. Correct option C. Story. Socialization is dash for the survival of an individual in a society. Correct option D. Moderatory. Dash is considered as the product of socialization. Correct option D. Student. School is the custodians of dash a community share. Correct option B. Values. Gossips are dash. Correct option A. Agency of social control. Handouts are a form of dash communication. Correct option C. Handouts are a form of dash communication. Correct option C. Written. School is the custodian of dash a community share. Correct option B. Values. Gossips are dash. Correct option A. Agency of social control. Handouts are a form of dash communication. Correct option C. Written. Maslow theory of hierarchy is about. Correct option B. Motivation. Trust is the dash of any community. Correct option D. Norm. Religious festivals are a part of dash. Correct option A. Culture. The modern way of social interaction is. Correct option C. Networking. Group are developed to perform dash. Correct option D. Task function. Which one is not a group attribute? Correct option B. Independence. Independence. Family is a primary dash of socialization. Correct option D. Agent. Who stated that social institutes promote social folkway and norms? Correct option D. Green. An effective family, community, school collaboration must come together at the dash level. Correct option D. Local. In Pakistan, Chandar Poli is a dash. Correct option B. Festival. Social control is purpose for. Correct option D. All the options. Social community relationships are not true for. Correct option B. Any of the option. Which component does not impact a group? Correct option D. Activities. The end of dash is also the culmination of socialization. Correct option A. Life. आई होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो. आपको दूसरी वीडियो का भी लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा. एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू.